Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Tecno Pova 5 Pro. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax. Never mind, look for the fax, choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Remember that you have your free credits banner if you want to send your message for free. Sometimes you have to restart the application after the setup to show it again. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document, like something from the gallery. Pick your photo, select it and click on the import. Now you can add as a shape to your document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Choose the filter for photo to make it more visible, and click on the accept icon. Now you can enter the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.